Hi, welcome to the next step of setting up your Revelana system. So the first one, business profile, setting up your business profile, choosing your Revelana number was in video number one. If you see this bar, if you log into your Revelana system and you see this bar here, it means that you haven't chosen your Revelana phone number yet. So just go ahead, hit resolve. It's going to bring you to this page, add number, choose your area code, and then search, choose your number, press OK. And once you do that, your phone number is going to show up here in this field. So I'm in the Revelana templates. I'm going to move over to a live account. Let's say it's going to be crush it with Luology. We have two phone numbers in our case, but once you choose your phone number, it's going to show up right here. Right. And you want a local phone number because chances are you're a medical spa, aesthetics practice, you're a regional business. If you're a national business, then you want to do what we did and pick a toll-free number. But let's stick to regional for now. I'm just going to show you how the phone number setup works because it's the same whether it's this or that. So what you're going to do is once that phone number shows up in this field, you're going to go ahead and you're going to hit this little pencil. It's going to bring you here. So just know your Revelana phone number, which is this, is going to show up in this field. You can call this anything you want here. This is really for you to remember. This is our Luology local number, and it's forwarding to this phone number. Now, this phone number it forwards to, you need to put in your phone number here. So whatever phone you're using for your main business line, it could be your cell phone, it could be a landline, it doesn't matter. You're going to forward your calls to this phone number, whatever you're going to put in here, your phone number, right? Then you're going to want to make sure that this is checked. Past called number to caller ID is checked. Past verified number as caller ID is checked. But in your case, you're going to see this field right here just says select caller ID, and this is empty because you haven't done this yet. You haven't set up the caller ID yet. We're going to do that in this video, but that's going to be empty. We have to come back to this, okay? So you want to not enable call connect feature. You don't worry about that. You don't worry about the whisper message. In my case, I like the whispered message because it tells me I have a call coming in from the local number of luology.com. It sort of orients me because I have so much going on. In your case, that call should be to your medical spa, and that's it. And then you want this unchecked call recording unchecked. Don't worry about that. But you want to set this number to 60, incoming call timeout to 60, outbound call timeout to 60. Check both those boxes and click update. Okay. So when you click update, then you're going to see your forwarding number here. You're going to see 60 and 60 here. Now, what you need to do is you want to copy your Revelana phone number. The next step is to add a new caller ID to your Revelana phone number because that's the one everyone's going to be using is your Revelana phone number. So you want to put that here. And your Revelana phone number enables texting and everything. The whole reason we're doing all of this is to get you on the safe senders list for texting. Okay, so you want to paste your number in here. When you verify the number, in this case, you're going to see it's going to tell us that it's already set up because it is. So, ignore that. But in your case, once you click verify number, you're going to see a code show up on the screen here, a security code. Now, when that code shows up and you click verify number, it's actually going to call the phone number where it's forwarding to, right? So whatever that is, if it's your cell phone, your landline, pick it up. When you pick it up, say the verification code that it's showing you on the screen. Just say it out loud into the system and then wait a second. It's going to say, okay, your caller ID is now verified. Yay. And then you click OK and you're done. And what happens when you're clicking OK and you're done, when you scroll down, you're going to see those verified numbers show up on this screen. And then there's something else you can do here. So when you show the verified number show up here, right, you can click the little pencil and you can rename what it says in this field, which shows up right here. And Luology, crushing it in aesthetics, That's what shows up when we text people. So it's not always going to be the phone number. It could be Luology, Crushing and Aesthetics that shows up in the caller ID when we're calling people. So they recognize it's from us. So you can change that and then press save. And then you might have to press refresh, which is also F5 on most keyboards. I don't know how Apple Macs work, but it's just refresh your screen. You'll see it show up there. And then remember, you need to go back to your phone number up here and then click that pencil and then go back to past verified numbers, caller ID, make sure it's still checked. And then when you do this down arrow, you're going to see your verified number as a choice there. Click on that and then press update and you're done. Okay, so that's how you set up your phone number, and that's how you make it onto the safe senders list. So I hope you appreciate the video. Let's keep your momentum flowing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye. Bye for now.